Hi there, students. Jaunt and jaunty. Interestingly, these two words are not etymologically related. They come from different roots. A jaunt is a short excursion for pleasure, an outing, a pleasure trip. So, how was your jaunt to London? We went for a Sunday jaunt in the countryside. A military raid is no jaunt. For their holidays, they went jaunting round Ireland. Okay, so a jaunt, maybe even a little bit of an escapade. Apparently in the late 19th century, the late 16th century, this meant to tire a horse out, to make a horse tired, or a troublesome journey. But it changed and became positive as opposed to negative. So, a jaunt. I think a jaunt is probably, it sounds quite posh, so it's a good posh word to use. I'm sure Henry would go on a jaunt, but it's also quite informal. So, would you use it down the pub? Yeah, I guess you could use a jaunt down the pub. I'd probably give it 4.5 in formality. Jaunty, however, is an adjective. It means self-confident, positive, happy and enthusiastic, but also stylish, showy, ostentatious. So his hat was at a jaunty angle. He gave me a jaunty smile. That's a really jaunty hat you've got. He was in a really jaunty, effervescent, happy, sprightly mood. Notice jaunty also has the idea of brisk, energetic, sprightly. So he walked at a jaunty pace. I think a fast, self-confident pace. He swaggered jauntily down the street. Okay, so it can mean self-confident and positive, enthusiastic, but also brisk and energetic. And it also has the idea of stylish, rakish, dapper, snappy, yeah, maybe even groovy. Okay, so he was wearing a jaunty shirt with jaunty bright colours. Okay, so that's the idea of jaunty. So notice this word jaunty comes from French gentil, or gentil, meaning gentle, or as in a gentleman. So that's the idea of jaunty. Self-confident, positive, bubbly, like that, okay? Not as far as ebullient, but jaunty, suggesting a little bit of ebullience. Okay, now this adjective jaunty, it sounds very literary. I'd probably give it something like a 6 or a 6.5 in formality. Would I use jaunty in an informal conversation? I think probably not. I'd either say stylish, self-confident, enthusiastic, energetic, brisk. I'd use some other word, okay? I think jaunty is good for something semi-formal or something very formal, yeah? So, a jaunt, a pleasure trip, an outing, an excursion. How was your jaunt down to the pub? And then jaunty, self-confident. After a couple of drinks, his mood became much more jaunty. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jaunt and jaunty.